Okay.
Nakikita niya.
So, Light's doing my hair. And by the way, we're going to Nagoya. Okay, so we're in the airplane now. I want to show you. Look at that. It's so bright.
We are finally in Nagoya. So very hot.
I can't wait for the toilet.
Why?
Okay, so we're heading to Flight of Dreams. From the airport, we're like outside in a party. So I was wearing this tank top under the shirt. Oh, can I try? Mine's like colder. This is like a restaurant or something. Wait, mommy! Gachapon. Let's look at the gachapon, guys. There's a Tamagotchi. Yeah, that's not. Oh, I want to get that one. Let's get this one.
Passing by the Flight of Dreams here in Terminal 2.
Yeah!
So, galing kami sa Terminal 1. Dadaanan lang namin ito. So, free naman siya.
Okay, guys.
Butaklip. First purchase.
What is the clip for?
For the shoes.
Mommy, I'll tell Light to hold the camera when she's going there. Okay? Okay, let's go. Here, Light. Oh, here. Yeah. Let's go here. So she's gonna be going down the slide. Wait, I think you're supposed to go there. No, I saw other kids over there. Wait after them. I'll be downstairs. Hold it. So boring, like literally so slow. They said it's so boring.
I have your attention, please. For everyone's safety.
So we are in the 13th floor, the top floor, VIP.
Yay!
VIP.
Let's like,
For Mia. Tapos pag-open.
For Mia kasi Mia arte.
For Mia.
That's your room. See you later.
Wow, it's so small.
Lahat ng room dito small. All the rooms in Japan is small.
No.
Yeah. Oh, it's big CR. That's important.
Did I just see an ant?
Where?
Okay, good. Like I said,
Sa aircon. Ayun.
Good. Toothpaste and toothbrush, good. Toilet, good.
Cheese sauce ata. Yan yung ba yung cheese sauce? Ito kami ngayon sa famous tonkatsu place. So, ito try natin. Ayan. Try ko itong two-way. Eating dinner, walking, papunta sa pabalik na sa hotel. Hanap kami ng
Family Mart.
Family Mart or 7-Eleven. Oy, ito yung favorite ni Daddy, oh. Yoshinoya. Nakao. Ito rin, oh. Pwede rin tayo dito, oh. Dami dito. Yakiniku. Ay, ito yung nakita mo kanina. Oh. Hindi ka naman kasi nag-review. Ayun na yung hotel natin, eh. May nakita ako kanina. Where's the Family Mart kanina? Let's go here first. What's this? It's cool. Natural. the pastries. This is my favorite. Yeah, you want waffles? You can try. Tapos tingnan mo kung masarap. Ano yan? Chocolate. Acai bowl. Mango bowl.
Acai bowl. I want to try the acai bowl.
Yeah.
Okay, we buy.
One lang. One muna. You can always buy one
Buy
again.
milk.
Pwede. Put it here, ha? How much is it niya?
Do you need bag?
Ayan, no need. No need.
Put the 1,000.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Ganda ng ano mo, coin case.
Okay.
From Dennis.
Okay.
Press okay. Thank you. All done. Getting some snacks. Go back to the hotel and have some warm bath with this girl. Pasayo ka.
Mommy, I got my water. Did you bring my water?
No, kasi it's heavy. We'll just buy there. Ah, dadali mo? If they're gonna bring, bring ko lang. 20.
Are you gonna get water?
Saan tayo pupunta? Shinkansen. Ay, sorry. Shinkansen.
Shirakawago. Kurokubaya Kuro.
First stop, Nakayama.
Guys,
So-
it's very windy.
Old Street
It's very
in
windy,
Japan. So, madaming mga shop for wood carving and sake. So, magta-try daw kami ng sake dito.
Arigatou gozaimashita.
It tastes like medicine.
Season daw ngayon ng mga beaches. Kaya okay. So, ang tawag pala dito is Nagawa Ito lang tayo iba. Tagal pala gawin. Dami pa naman doon. So, hanap na tayo ng same raw beef sashimi with daikura.
Ah, wait, baka ito.
Ayan,
Ito,
lapit na.
ito.
Start.
Ayan o. Ito yung inuman lang.
Sige. Oh, lapit
Ayan
na.
na.
What minute?
Kasi pag
Takaw dito. The tasting? Tasting
Butter cup 450 yen.
is what's the 2,100 yen for
450 all tasting.
okay, all tasting.
Yeah, one time each.
400 each. 450 each. Okay.
It's still on. Thank you. Can please go in the fridge. One time each. That keep take home souvenir.
Oh, thank you. So okay siya, may souvenir ka. Yeah, this souvenir.
How would you get a souvenir? Mommy, wait lang.
Sarap maglakad. Uy, ito na kaya i-try natin. Sige na, ito na yung try natin. Kapalit sa kanina. Oh my gosh, may pila. Haba pala ng pila. Oh my gosh. Ayan. Maghanap. Sige, pila. Sige. Gusto ko yung isang row. Ba't sa kanila may ano? So, this is the sushi beef. Half raw, half...
You just what?
Ay! Cookie pala to.
Pwede parang ano?
Oh my gosh, paano ito kakainin?
Hindi ko kunin mo na lang.
Hindi siya nakasip. This one.
You eat it for us.
Sige. So, one of each. Yung kanina iba. Ito yata iba rin yung sauce. Ito may egg. Yung kanina may ikura. Hindi ko natikman kasi natagal ng chef. Ito ready na.
It's not... Press mo ulit.
Just
Yeah,
press
there.
it. The one with egg yolk. I think this is a quail egg because the egg yolk is very small.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tapos, can you close?
The second one was a bit raw. The first one was a bit more cooked. So this one, I think, this is balanced, cooked and uncooked, raw.
Say ah. No, I ate.
Let's go. Next stop. Next food. So, good combination. Sake. Tapos, beef ka. Pulutan na sarap. And then, you have so many things to say in your vlog.
They're so lasing.
You poured it. You poured it to your mom. No. Mine is...
Auntie, hinalik the camera.
Tama na. Oh, may maiiwan ka na naman. So, trying another steak. Nabitin ako. So, got ng beef packing it. Lagi yung nakapatong dito siya. Parang shrimp, biscuits, crackers. May crackers. Ano yung nabibili sa mga grocery? Ayun, nakita ko na sila. No worries, they're safe and sound. Over there waiting for us.
Don't go here. It's a bad place to go.
Saan? Saan? Oh, may bayad yan. If you want to see the house, there's payment. So, ito yung sa loob ng bahay. Ito yata yung kitchen. Place for aerosol. Material for gunpowder. Fifth floor where? Cheese with beef. So on the way to shopping, it's our second full day. So ito yung mga anak, Achi, Richie, and Shabe. Ako Exit 124 there. Exit 2. So, plan to buy. Tapos na kami sa mga cosmetics and mga skincares and food. So, we're gonna buy clothes. Balita ko sale sa GU. And kailangan ko bumili ng matcha. May nagpapabili. Hindi ko pa nakikita siya until now. So, let's see. Hindi kasi ako nagpa-matcha. May budget ka, di ba?
Can you pay for my clothes, Mommy? Can you buy some for my
Pay yourself.
classmates?
Why do you buy? You want to buy? Do you buy? Sa... Yung? So, nasa Ion Mall na kami. Just beside Noritake Gallery.
Ay, naku, mami. Hello, Dick. Light made basa my bag. Annoying. Ay, naku, is basa na everything.
No. That's my fault. I'm talking about
Go away. It's annoying.
First, tayo bookstore. This page. Starbucks. So, ito yung scenery. Bakit yung pictures? Saan ko yung pusiin sa photos? Pero siya nagpipicture. Galing ko. Sa lahat ng books nila, magazines, may mga activities. So, parang work activity siya for kids. May nakaipit sa loob. So, may mga Casio watches din sila dito sa bookstore. Ito, classic. Isa 2,200 lang. Yen. Dami ng corgi dito.
cheap.
你要什么 Get that camera away from me. Babe. What is wrong with me?
My piercing. It's real piercing right here. It's real. There. And then Night will get her ears pierced. That's why I'm looking at earrings. Yeah. Okay, so that.
Dito tayo. Tapos yung, ito, anong exit ba yan? Ano ito mga?
So, without even planning to go here, ayan na. Nakita lang namin. So, yun na yung next stop namin. Oh, picture kayo.
No!
Mia,
Tayo
I
muna.
like.
Init na.
Mabilis lang.
Malamig muna tayo.
Okay, so tapos lang kami nag-magain.
Kumain.
So, they're literally right there buying lots of like this because we're going to Alaska. So, yeah, my mom is using her phone right now. And, yeah, let's go spy on them.
Balik na tayo. Kainis na. Baka may hit-tech din sila doon. Lasa to. Tapos,
Book Bazaar. Baka sa Book Bazaar madami tayong mabiling mga winter clothes.
ang bibilhan ko. Si Cyrus, nabilhan ko na. Si Light,
Oh my gosh. Event ngayon dito sa Japan, siguro dahil weekend. So, may nabili kaming eyeliner, parang yung suot ko ngayon. So, dito mas madaming choices ng brand. So, ito yung gold eyeliner. May blue, may glitter. So, ganda. Tapos, mas mura pa to. Parang 500 yen. Nabili ko doon sa may hotel is 1.4. Mas pigmented pa to. Mga
yung gold. Lip gloss to eh. You have na so much. No more lip gloss. Ito number 10. Ganda yung itong bronze. Saan?
Ano, gusto mo ilagay dito na?
You be on, at the far end. Okay.
So, kakarating lang namin, shopping agad. Hinantay lang namin mag 10 o'clock.
When in Japan.
And, yeah. And, non-stop yung mga bilihin namin ng skincare and makeups. And, grabe. So, naka 20,000 yen kami dito. Oo. Kasi umura talaga. Imagine mo, parang 5,000 pesos lang yung nagastos ko sa skincare and groceries. So, ang mura nun. Tapos sa kanya, magkano nagastos mo? 5,000 pesos. Ay, yen. Is
1,000 plus lang yun.
Oo, sobrang mura. Ang dami na. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Osu Shopping Center. Bakit nagko-cross na? Ayun. Kotse pala yung tinitignan ko. Here. Eh, pasok ba tayo ulit? Ang dami talagang corgis. Paano ba ito mag-work?
Kaya mo sa net.
O tapos?
Tapos, hanggang matunaw siya. Baka hindi. You know, the kind of technology.
Ito pa. Tinataguan nila kami. Tinataguan nila sila. Akala mo ha?
No,
Tapos pag nawala ka, wala kang phone. Kasi yung bag mo na sa akin.
Dadagdagan ko na.
Hindi yun Gcash, cash yun.
Yun nga eh.
Okay, I got this.
Ano yan, blush?
Yeah. And I got eyeshadow.
Like this one.
Under, let's go.
Dito kami ngayon sa Comelio Bag. Dito yung mga second-hand stores. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, grabe, nakabili ako ng dalawang bag na Kate Spade. So, 10,000 yen and 20,000 yen. Sobrang mura. So, ito, magaganda pa yung mga bags dito. Saka maganda yung store. Malaki. Saan? Oh my gosh! Spotted! It's our 40th birthday. So, ito yung mga Hermes. 1,450,000, 750,000 yen. That's expensive, huh? Careful, ah. That's Dior. That's Dior.
250. How much is
That's cheap na for, this is a second-hand store. So, yung mga
250.
Chanel, 370,000 yen.
250,000.
820,000 yen.
Mommy, look.
So, kasama na rin yung mga
300,000.
may certificate na rin kasama lahat pag bumili kayo. And I don't know how it works because hindi ako bumibili siya ng itong bags. So, ayan, mga Chanel. 270,000. Mga LV, Neverfull. 120,000. 150,000, 130,000. 90,000 yen. Dito kami bumili. Mga under 30,000 yen. So, 70,000 yen. Tipong Kate Spade. Marc Jacobs. Kate Spade, 10,000 yen. Meron din silang konting North Face. Nasa 45,000 yen. 40. 38. So, lahat good quality. So, ito pa, LV, Rimowa, 80,000 yan, 150,000 yan. So, times 0.39 nyo lang. Yun yung peso. Convert ng peso.
Yeah.